On homework 14, we are going to be adding and subtracting polynomials. And to do that, you have to add like terms. And like terms, the variables will have the same exponents. That's how you'll know that they are like terms. So the first thing I'm going to do is rewrite the first set of parentheses without the parentheses. And then the second set of parentheses, I need to distribute this -1 or this negative sign to each of those numbers. So -1 times 2x squared is -2x squared. Negative times 7x, -7x. And then negative times -9 is positive. Then I can start putting like terms together. So I have a 5x squared minus 2x squared. So that gives me 3x squared. Then I have -2x and -7x. So that's -9x. And then +7 plus 9 is +16. And so this is my answer. Now with number 2, I have a plus sign in between these. So I'm just going to rewrite everything that's in parentheses, but I'm writing them without parentheses and just one sign. So this would be plus 7x to the third minus 8x. Then I will put like terms together. So 6x squared. Actually, I'll need to start with the highest exponent, so the 7x to the third. And then my 6x squared, and there's no other squared terms, so plus 6x squared. And then minus 9x minus 8x, so minus 17x. And then plus 5. And so this is my final answer. Number 3, I have that negative sign right here. So I'm going to rewrite my first parentheses without the parentheses. And then my second, I have to distribute that negative sign. So -5x squared. And then negative times a -4x would be positive 4x. And then negative times the 2 is -2. Then my highest exponent is to the 4th power. There is not another term that's to the 4th power. Then to the 3rd power, there's not another term that has to the 3rd power. Then the 2nd power, not another term. And then positive 4x, so there's not another term that is alike. And then we have -5 minus 2 gives me -7. And this is my final answer. Again, number 4 has the minus sign in between it. So I'm going to write my first equation, or my first polynomial without the parentheses. Then I'm going to distribute that negative sign. So that makes that a positive 9x to the 4th. And then a positive 2x. And then a -6. And I'm going to put like terms together. So I have a 3x to the 4th and a 9x to the 4th. So 12x to the 4th. Then a 6x plus 2x is plus 8x. And then my -6. And number 5, everything, there's a plus sign here, so I just rewrite everything. 6x cubed Okay, so I put like terms together. I have a 6x to the third and a 9x to the third, so 15x to the third. Negative 2x squared, positive 4x squared, so positive 2x squared. And then positive 7x minus 13x minus 6x. Okay, number 6. I rewrite the first set of parentheses without the parentheses. And then the second set, I have to distribute the negative sign. Okay, then I'm going to put like terms together. So I have an 8x to the fourth, then plus an 8x to the third, minus 5x squared, plus 2x, minus 17. Okay, number 7. We're asked to find the perimeter by adding all 4 sides. Well, right now, only 2 sides are labeled. So this side is also x plus 4. And this side is 5x squared plus 4x plus 1. So I have to add all 4 of those sides together. So I'm going to write all of those down. Okay, now that I've written them all down, I'm ready to get like terms together. So my highest exponent is squared. So I add the 5 squared plus 5 squared and get 10x squared. Then I have several terms with x. So there's one, there's another. So I've got 1x plus 4x is 5, plus another x is 6, plus another 4x. So that gives me plus 10x. And then I have a positive 4, a positive 1, a positive 4, a positive 1. So 4 plus 1 plus 4 plus the 1 gives me plus 10, just 10. And then number 8, find the perimeter. So I just write all of those 3 sides down, add them together. Okay, so I have a 3x squared and a 12x squared, so 15x squared. Then 10x minus 6x plus 1x, so that would be 4x plus that 1 would be plus 5x. And then minus 8 plus 12 minus 8, so that would be positive 4 minus the 8 minus 4.